Engineers are responsible for creating everyday items that we use.
We design the materials from which products are made all the way to massive skyscrapers that cut through the sky.
These products are very impressive, but some of these products produce negative results as well.
For example, the amazing Bugatti Chiron is an engineering product that is able to hit 260 miles per hour, but comes with an engine that eats gas faster than you can eat your food.
That being said, engineers are using new information and tools to create products that are just as amazing, but more environmentally friendly.
For example, Tesla has designed cars that can drive at insane speeds without burning a single molecule of gas.
Other amazing products and processes that engineers have designed have helped cut the negative impact we have, like the efficient practices that Subaru takes to make their factories zero waste,
Rain gardens that help effectively absorb water so that there is less surface runoff,
Nuclear reactors that remove our dependency on less efficient forms of energy,
And new building designs that reduce the energy wasted by residents.
You may be thinking, why is this guy standing by some plants? I'm sure you've all seen plenty of old boring plants before, but there's something special about these. This is actually a rain garden. Rain gardens are a very important factor in reducing rainwater runoff, also known as surface water runoff. Runoff is precipitation that did not get absorbed into the soil or evaporate, often because of man-made structures that do not allow water to be properly absorbed. As a result, the water makes its way into areas where water collects, such as lakes, rivers, and ponds. One of the issues with this is that the rainwater can pick up and carry harmful chemicals such as petroleum or pesticides into different bodies of water and harm the natural ecosystem. Rain gardens help prevent this by giving the rainwater a place to collect and be absorbed back into the ground and plants. This avoids the water from entering the streams, lakes, and rivers and causing harm in those areas.
Right now, you're looking at one of the newest buildings on campus. And new means there should be something fancy about this building, right? The keyword is LEED, leadership in energy and environmental design. Buildings like the Crack Building are energy efficient, consume less resources, and therefore have lower costs of operating. So here's how it simply works. A person known as the Green Rater comes and gives points to the building specifications according to how environmentally friendly they are. The building was designed and built in a very special way that it uses 20% less water relative to the other buildings with this size, keeps the inside temperature warm on cold days due to its high-tech wall structure and double glass windows, and generates electricity via the solar panels at the top of the building to run its systems such as lighting. Engineers have taken important roles in making this building to be sustainable so that it offers healthy settings to the environments we live and work in.
The Subaru production plant in Indiana is the first of many green engineering processes that have a huge effect on the environment. The plant was the first zero landfill plant in the United States. This means that there is not a single wrapper or item that leaves the plant ends up on a landfill. This is accomplished by having all scrap and weld metal bits sent back to the provider for reuse, overspray paint collected and used for safety barricades, glass reused to create reflective road striping, and packaging sent back to the supplier for reuse. In addition, the plant utilizes a filtration system that cleans the water before it's sent back to the environment, making the water sent back to the system cleaner than it was originally. These processes make the factory one of the most efficient factories in the entire world. In addition, the Subaru plant is zero emissions as compared to the average 17 tons of CO2 produced per car.
If you couldn't tell, engineers have a part in making everything that you use.
Whether that be the hot water we use to shower, the cars we use to commute,
the nuclear reactors we use for energy,
Energy efficient buildings we live and work in.
Or rain gardens to reduce surface runoff.
These products were designed by people all around the world who just thought of a new way to look at a problem.
If you think creatively and are interested in solving problems, you too could be the next one to design an amazing product that changes the world.